Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Remember, guys, our content here is for educational purposes. We're not financial advisor, and of course, do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys, and start our live streaming for today. We got PBM, we got BTAI, COMM, and VERB. Both VERB and COMM just broke our resistance and had a huge jump, especially for VERB. We discussed it early here, guys, on our Discord about the breakout. Yes, we got a nice breakout. BMNR still a lot of big investor buying dips for long. I will check BMNR, but yeah, VRB we already discussed it early on our Discord, guys. It was really great play. BMNR, yes, jumping Jason, we got a resistance for it right now around this level, the 359. We have the 36 as a profit taken. We got 38 as well, and we got the 42. If we broke the 33.59 right now, we have to hold the gap at the moment here over the $31. So let's get right to it, guys. VERB looking great at the moment. Could be a best one to watch right now with the other one. So VERB, let's get right to it, guys. VERB is kind of juicy right now. VERB on the lookout. Watch out, guys. VERB. And the other one is, of course, COMM. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. This one just went ballistic after broke the 1169. What a huge jump for this one, guys. What a great pump. Now we got a bit of resistance around the 1430 that we should break. Now let us do another support here around the 1284, and the other support is 1161. BTAI, nothing much here. BTAI, nothing much here. Yes, we got support for it around the 150. And PPM, yes. So the best one, for my opinion, is VERB, which is right now testing a resistance around this level, the 1646. We have another profit taken around the 18, and the other around the 20 and the 22. For now, we got a little support for it around the 1390. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Amazon pulling back, CVNA pulling back. Meta, Reddit is jumping right now. Let's check SMCI, AMD have earnings tomorrow after hours. Watch out, guys. Earnings is coming up pretty soon for AMD tomorrow. We got hot action. SMCI the same. We got huge action happening in the pre-market. 2% and 2% for both of them. Right, the same. Plug, the same. So today could be a good day to watch the markets. Ethereum is bouncing back again toward the 3,500. Bitcoin reversing from the $1,010 or 100,010. Yes. For now, VERB should be the one to watch. Knock, knock, goodbye. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. SNGX. Okay. Okay. You got 1878. Yeah, Jopy, Jopy. It's not my cup of tea. So yeah, we got VERB right now looking great. Let me just check here if we got something. You ever used TV hot list? Nope. Dexter, if you can hear me, what you mean about TV hot lists? Percent range gainer, percent range loser, my watch list, search list. I don't know. Anyway, guys, hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget, everybody, to hit the like button and the way in. Palantir jumping. We got mini stock jumping in the pre-market. PBM, we got COM, SNGX, SCS. I think this one is offering or something. Yeah. So I'm gonna pass. Monday. Palantir. We got Palantir today after hours earnings. What's going on? Let us check the stock that have earnings right now. VNTX on LTSN. Okay, so guys, remember we always go live every day to discuss the market 30 minutes before the market open. Every day, guys, join us for market cover up. So we got 2 minutes left, guys, 2 minutes left. Gonna check the stock that have earnings right now. IDXX jumping like crazy after good earnings. There's no pullback so far for this one. On is down. We might have a little reversal for it at the market open. Yeah, we might have a little reversal here and maybe there. We got L, nothing much. TSN jumping up. Okay, the market will open at any moment, everybody. Okay, lift off. Let's see. The market is about to open, already opened right now. VERB could be good. COMM jumping up, guys, toward the 14. COMM, guys, looking great. VERB looking great. And COMM, we need to break the 1430 to go up. COMM looking great. I'm gonna take a bit of profit for COMM just in case if we pull back. VERB the same, looking great. VERB looking great at the moment, jumping really good. Is about to break the 16. SMCI pulling back, AMD pulling back, right pulling back. Plug is going up. IDXX 25%. Huge earnings for IDXX, but it's kind of overextended here. Yeah, AMD, you guys, getting near a major resistance. Okay, VERB didn't break the 1647. VTAI jumping. COMM just got shorted here around the resistance. We need to hold over the 14. Yeah, we don't want to have a pullback below this level around the 1280 if we don't want to have a flush for it. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the market is a bit slow for plug, doing all right here because it bounced from the support around the 135, so it's really good here. Right, we got a pullback again, but technically we are green for the all stocks. CRCL, I will keep this one on my list because if we pull back more, could be nice for entry. Mara, I'm gonna lower the resistance now around the 1590. Okay, let us check the other stocks. SGNX, yes, bumped from this resistance around the $3. It went around this level, the 440. So the 440, it is the current resistance now. It could be really good for today if we broke the 440 again. Yeah, COMM didn't hold. VRB holding the support. It did a really great job before the market opened by 1 hour, jumping almost 70%, hitting all our profit taken in pre-market, and now it's pulling back down. PBM, we got a huge reversal for PBM, guys. A huge reversal here. PBM could be really good for breakout now. PBM, guys, looking really interesting. But the problem is we got just 122 shares to buy. Not a lot of shares we could buy on PBM. Only in Europe, of course, the limitation, and only in Europe. Reddit started to move, and IDXX is started to pull back down. Okay, SMCI, we got a nice jump for it, 4% for today. Before the earnings, really good, interesting jump for SMCI. Okay, we got interesting request here, AOPH. Yeah, just 4% broke the $10.14 our resistant. Now it's going toward the 11.90. It is light on action and volume, so it's a bit risky to play. Yeah, we got support for it around 8.50. Now it's around the $10.98. For SMCI, guys, today we need to have a breakout here around the 62.44. In the meantime, current support is the 55.10, as we discussed yesterday on our video on YouTube. And remember, tomorrow after hours, we got our earnings for SMCI. So this is a good jump for it before the earnings. FIG, guys, is pulling back a lot. FIG, I think one of the gainers before, or the new IPO stock that jumped 73%, now is flushing down. It's going toward the bottom. COMM holding the gains because we got really good news early on today. We have a cell connectivity and cable solution segment to Umbrella Corporation for 10 billion. We have a huge number. Yeah, 10 billion is really good. Look at that. That's why we're jumping almost 100% now. Holding the gains and trying again to break the 14. So technically now we got two stocks, PBM, which doing all right now, pharmaceutical company that doing crazy good. Is getting near a new level of resistance around yeah, the main resistance, it is just below, yeah, just below the $6.20. So we got PBM to hold the 480, test the 620 and go to the 7 and 8, and COMM to hold the 1280 and break the 1460 to go to the 16 and 19. Those the two strongest stocks, and maybe VERB if we held the 1390 and break the 1635 to go toward the 1815 and 2016. PTAI, I don't like it that much, so I'm gonna keep it on the other list. So yeah, we only have three stocks, guys, three stocks to do some action. Yeah, Unity, we got someone buying Unity. Unusual buying pressure for Unity right now. Okay, so pull back for those stocks for today. We have a little pullback. Okay, we got PBM Martinopolo already covered. We got UNH and BTBD. George, UNH. It's not a unicorn. And PTBD. Let us check. UNH, nothing much, brother. It's kind of dead after the bad earnings back in Thursday. We broke the support. Now it's going toward the bottom, the 189.87. So it's going down after the bad earnings. Yeah, resistant. It is, yes, give or take around the 266. We have 290 if we broke and 327. But yeah, it is too weak. 187, 189, 87 should be the support. BTBD, it is a unicorn jumping almost 200%, and now is, I think, is halted up around $4.22. Yeah, this one could be a great jump burr. Yeah, this one is crazy, guys. BTBD just jumped. We have a support. If we have a pullback, we should hold over the $3. And now the resistance getting near on the $5. Let us double check again the stock that got halted for today. NVTS, I will check it, and CRWV. NVTS, and CRWV. Okay, Blurry asked about CRWV, and Christian asked about NVTS. NVTS, nothing much. Yeah, we have a nice hold up over the support here, the 780. It is heavily shorted, that's why we broke those kind of supports. Now it's getting near a major resistance, which is just around or below the $8.44. For now, yes, it's getting near this resistance. If we hold the 780, we're going to continue this jump until the 844 and the $9. For CRWV, I don't like it for now. It could be really good to wait for this dip around the 85, 74, and $60. Those the really good dips. For now, as long as we are below the 116, we're gonna continue down. Yeah, 116.29 should be a great resistance to break, for my opinion. 119, yes, 119.68. Support 85. BTBD is still currently halted, guys, around the $4.22. PBM holding the support for 83. VERB just reversed nicely. Now have to break the 1635 to squeeze toward the 1815. Reddit jumping to a new high. Okay, TWG got halted, withdrew by TWG and Robai. Those two are currently halted. New IPO, but it's not good. TWG, not good. Yeah, BTBD, guys, is still halted right now. I don't know how many times it's getting halted. It's halted around the 45 and now 49. So if it is not now, it mean after another 5 minutes. So 1 minute left. If it's 5 minute halt, it should be unhalted in 40 seconds or less, or in 30 seconds. Okay, less than 30 seconds for PTBD to get unhalted. Oh, what a day. Okay, countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see if we're gonna jump right now for PTBD. BTBD, yes, it should be right now. Yes, unhalted. BTBD unhalted, guys. We might have a pullback now toward the $3 because we got near the resistance of $5. PBM pulling back a lot. VERB, guys, looking great for breakout now. So I'm gonna keep by VERB first. And BTBD second, because it's about to squeeze again toward the $4 or the $5. Yeah, the $5 is the squeeze zone. Okay, VERB kind of pumping right now, guys, over the resistance. We have another resistance now for VERB just around here, the $18. Updating the support for VERB here around the 1523. So far, so good. VERB, yes, sir. Let's go. It's getting near a major resistance, guys, for VERB, so be careful. Yeah, it's getting near the $18 resistance, so it is better to take a bit of profit here. Of course, it's pulling back a lot now. Think we got a major seller here. Exactly there, around the $18. Yeah, BTBD just pulled back below the 5. We got the major resistance around the $4.60. Yeah, so the main one is VERB for today. Okay, so far so good. Okay, anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming, and of course, see you in a bit. I will see you tomorrow. And remember, John, if you can hear me, we have a meeting in just 5 minutes from now. So if you're ready, you know, because I already sent you the link for the Zoom meeting. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching. And of course, we're going to do a major update later on our Discord and Patreon, because today we have a huge earning for mini stocks. Great hunt, Dexter, for taking profit on PBM. It was really great trade for us for today. And we got RGTI. When you have a comment, okay, I'll check RGTI. Okay, yeah, we got Hoover. Okay, we got a lot of things going on here. RGTI, BNR. Okay, and Hoover. Okay. Hoover, light on volume, so it's not good. BMNR, I will check here. Yeah, BMNR, we have a resistance here around the 3360. We have other profit taking here around 36. Current support, it is around the 30, and the bottom it is around the 2766. I'm gonna send it to you, Jason. And the other one is RGTI. RGTI 9%, but the resistance is a bit tricky here. Yeah, we have this and that. Bomb, 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 bomb. Anyway, so this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you all by tomorrow. So let me just send this because this is a resistance here around the 1635. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you.